Good morning, students. How are you? So, today there is another topic of grammar. Now, we have done with chapter number 3 in literature. So today we are going to do the verbs. What are verbs? You all know that verbs are the action words. Okay, so we are going to do 3 forms of verb. So I'm going to tell you the rule. I hope you will listen carefully. So first is our regular verbs. In that, the first rule is past simple verb forms are created by adding ed. E plus d means ed in the end of the verb. Whatever the verb is, means action word is there, you have to add ed at the last, in the end. So here you can see he wanted to buy a new car. That we have added ed in want, so that becomes past tense. Now here you can see the other example, call plus ed, that will be called. These are the regular verbs. Here she called him on the phone. So here we have used regular verbs, and that's also you know that this is a simple past tense, that called, past tense of the verb. Now another rule is that for verbs ending in e, we add d in the end. Like you have to see the last letter, that is e. If it is e, you have to add only d. Like this, change plus d, changed. Now you can see in this example, he changed his clothes. So here we have used past form of the verb, that is changed. So what do you understand by it? That we are using d in the end of the verb. So here you can see the another rule, that is if there is y in the end, so we have to add ied instead of y. So this you can see, he tried really hard. So we have dropped the letter y, and instead of y we have added ied, that is tried. So he tried really hard. So tried is a past form of the verb. Now this is the another rule, consonant plus vowel plus consonant. You can see vowel is there, the last letter is consonant, and before that there is vowel, that is o. So what we have to do is we have to make it double, like consonant will be double p, and then we have to add ed. So this is the rule, stop, stopped, stop plus p plus ed, that will be stopped. So this is the another rule, the car stopped. So what we have done, we have doubled the last letter, that was consonant, and added ed. Now this is what you have to do is, if the last letter is x, if the last letter of the verb in the verb action word is x, okay, we don't double the consonant. You know this is a consonant, so we don't have to make it double. No, simply no. You can see that double x means you don't have to double it. Okay, like we have done stopped double p. So here if x is there, you don't have to double it, make it double, don't make it double. Now this is, you can see the example, fixed. Now here in the end you can see the consonant x is there, so we have not make it double, simply x ed, fixed. Now the vowels. Now we will talk about vowels. You know, a, e, I, o, u. There are 5 vowels. So there, if you see vowels at the end, so what you have to do is simply add ed. Simply add ed. Okay. So there I'm going to, you can see in this slide, it's written even, simply add ed. So how? means plus y you have to add, then ed. Like stay, this you can see, stay, stay. So there is y at the end. So here we can see that before the letter y there is a vowel, that is a. So what we have to do, a is a vowel, we have to just write down stay y, of course, then ed we have to add only. Now I am going to tell you about 3 forms of verbs. That first is first form of the verb, then second form of the verb, and third form of the verb. Okay, so what this first form of the verb is? Present. Okay, the second form of the verb is past, and what will be the third form of the verb? Tell me, is it future? No, my dear. Some students say, give answer like this, that third form of the verb is future, but it's not like that. Then the third form of the verb we say past participle. Remember, you have done in previous class. So these are the 3 forms of verbs, that is, first is present, second is past, and third is past participle. So here is it. I'm giving you just one example. Eat, ate, eaten. So these are the irregular verbs. Earlier we have talked about regular verbs. Now this is what is, you can see it totally changed. Okay, 3 of the words are having different spellings and like different, and not ed has not been added. So here eat, ate, eaten, 3 forms. These are the 3 forms of verb. These are called irregular. These are irregular verbs. So I'm going to give you some more examples of it. So watch it carefully. Now here in these slides you will be able to know about more and more verbs and their past form and their past participle also. You can see come, came, come. So what is come? That is a base form, first form of the verb. Okay, which is blue, which is written in blue color. That is your base form. Get, got, gotten. So the orange one, past simple, that is your second form of the verb. And third is your past participle, that is highlighted with pink color. So I hope you are understanding all these things. So here you can see rise, rose, risen. So here you can see some more examples of it. Fly, flew, flown. So here you can see that these are the irregular verbs. Now this is a table. You can see, you can learn. The more you will learn, the more you will be able to write correctly. So here you can see the number of verbs, 3 forms of verb have been written. 15 are there. You have to learn it all. Okay. Here also, this is another chart in which these all the words you have to learn. Okay, like you learn tables in maths, as it is you have to learn this 3 forms of verb. I'll attach these 2 pages of 3 forms of verb. Okay, if it is not clear, then I'm going to send it. Okay, I'll attach, don't worry about it, this page and this one also. So what is your homework is that you have to learn these 2 charts, 3 forms of verb. And one more is that this you can see, these I'm just sharing you the 2 pages of your grammar book, that is your chapter for verbs. So you can see here in this slide regular and irregular verbs are there. So this you all have to learn. See above in the red color it's written regular verbs, and more are there here. Here it is. So this also you have to learn. So now this is your one homework, that you have to learn all these verbs. And the second is that you have to draft 5 sentences, at least 5 sentences in simple present tense. A simple sentence you have to write and change into past tense. For example, if I write that I write a letter, okay, this is simple present tense, and then you have to convert it, change it into simple past tense, that will be I wrote a letter. Okay, so this is your homework, that you have to write at least 5 sentences, and it will be better if you'll make if you'll change into past participle also. You can take the verbs from this list 2 I have given. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day ahead.